Chiro cracks. Chiropractics for everyone.
Give me an update. How you been? It's been like 2 years since I adjusted you.
My bones crack way more than they should. I had a seizure. It happened while I was driving. They're still running tests on me.
Were you healthy and just everything normal or tired?
Hungry.
How's your back been feeling?
It's been hurting, honestly. I keep getting these sharp back pains like down here.
Any accidents or injuries?
No.
This left side of your spine is hypertonic. Nothing crazy coming off the spine. Right or left, which is more tender?
Left hurts.
That's stuck right there. Turn to the left.
More on this side.
Tender.
Mm-hmm. My neck always hurts.
Any headaches?
Yeah.
Restricted here. Lower on the right side there, looking from the top. It's even, so no external or internal rotation. High left hip, low right glute. Wants to go to the right. Push up against me. First rib, second rib, third rib, fourth. Right here on this left side. We're just gonna give this a little squeeze for 8 seconds. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6. This tells us that we have to start at T6. I'm going to follow your breath down like this. Hips, shoulders. Sinking in. Shoulders. Deep breath. Let it all go. Sounded right.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna use my elbow to contact this one. I'm gonna bend this top leg here, and we're gonna push like that. Gentle.
That was a good crack.
Shoulders, hips, loose. As you breathe out, we're going in that direction like that. Sink in, shoulders.
That was crazy.
Nice, gentle breathing. First, we're going to go to the gallbladder. It feels terrible. It's better, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to contact the liver region on this side here. Smile.